3 amazing ways to make him commit. How to make a man love you for the rest of his life. Is he dating you, but not committing to you? Most times, you're just inches away from making him commit to a more serious, more permanent relationship with you. Here are 3 ways to give him that little nudge he needs. Number 1, know how to cook. Believe it or not, but when you know how to cook, your attractiveness to the right kind of men skyrocket. Despite the change in times, deep down inside, men still long to settle down with a woman who has a knack for cooking and other domestic activities. Have you ever heard of the phrase, "He brings home the bacon, she cooks it"? That still holds true today. Among the most attractive traits commitment-ready men look for in women today, domestic support is very close to the top of the list. So, can you cook? Maybe it's finally time to learn. Number 2, make him wait for sex. Many of us think that the more we please him, the faster he falls in love. Unfortunately, that's not how it works. How many times have you had sex with a guy early in your relationship, only to see him shut down a few days after, and tell you he's not ready to commit? When sex comes too early in the relationship, he falls out of love quickly. After all, you didn't give love a chance to take root in the first place. Only when you're truly, deeply in love with each other will sex strengthen your relationship instead of ruin it. So how long should you wait for sex? If you can't wait until after the wedding, then give yourself 3 to 6 months. Most commitment-phobic men lose interest after you refuse sex for 2 months. Number 3, don't push the issue. One of the biggest reasons why most relationships fail is because the woman pushes the relationship. She asks questions like, "So what are we, really? Are we officially dating? Do you have any plans of committing to me anytime soon?" Pushing the issue is a dangerous thing to do. Remember, it's the guy's job to take the lead in the relationship. If you start doing his job, he's going to feel like he's the woman in the relationship, and then bad things happen. My advice? Don't push. Instead, pull. Pull him closer to you by being intellectually and emotionally attractive, knowing how to flirt, and basically showing him how wife material you really are. And even if he won't respond to your invitation, sooner or later, someone more deserving of your love will. Want to know more about how to pull him closer and make him commit? Check out the website in the description. It is dedicated to making women happy about dating. You will find tips to become a master dating gal. Learn on how to make men come up to you, ask you out and be crazy about you.